Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. I have been so inconsistent these days, but I'm trying my best. And now I want to do box braids. Like, I just want very big sections because again I'm gonna be very busy, so just keep watching to see how I do it. Hair is like, I cannot even call it blown out. It's just stretched from a bun. So right now what I'm going to do is to like really comb all the sections properly and then brush it out well to give it that, you know, to give it that blown out look like that. But then I can just go ahead and show you the hair I want to use. I wanted something that I will not need to like be picking out. So what's it, A-free brand. Okay, so it ends very bluntly, so I don't need to pick it out. That's good. I have 3 packs of this, so God help me, I don't need to have extra. With this I don't need any trimming, it's just gonna be this length. So yeah, why does it feel so small? Oh my god, jeez. Anywho, let me section my hair and then I'll get back to you and we see the plaiting process. Now I've put my hair into these sections, so I'm just gonna put that away. The thing is, I don't really want it to be like square or circle. I just want to put my hair away, like any section that it comes, but I'll try my best to make it not look too rough. So maybe I might even use my fingers to part the thing, you know. So I've already made sections like this and spread them all over my bed. Now I'm just gonna take like that. Oh no, before I forget, first of all what I do is I twist the root of my hair. Just a 2-strand twist, like halfway. Then I go in with that. So I use my hair like this 3rd section and I just braid down. And I like to start borrowing hair right from the bottom, like in order to make everything blend really nicely and not just braid down. Like, that's it. So that's what I'm gonna do all over my hair, and I'll get back to you when I'm at the front.
Day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a pond.
Oh my god, it's been 2 hours now and I'm almost done, but I want to show you exactly what I do to the front. I'm using my edge control because it's not like too wet, just to make everything look nice and smooth. So I just put it around the edges like that. It's looking white, yes, but it will disappear. And I rub it in like that, 2-strand twist to that level. Take my hair and I braid. So difficult trying to explain how braiding goes, but the easiest way I can tell you is just use your hair like the 3rd section and braid as if it's your own hair, you know. I already like started adding hair right from the bottom.
Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not.
I'm just gonna braid to the end and that's it.
Cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
Alright, finally I'm done. Like, this is actually the next day, but I just said let me come and show you how it looks like. I have already like attached the beads, but I didn't attach it all over on all the my plan is to attach it on all the strands. So let me show you what I use. So the beads came in a pack like this, and then came with something like this. So insert the beads inside, and then you put, let me check, and then you put this entire thing in the middle and you pull it. That's the plan. When you pull it, everything comes in the braid, because the braid is kind of like a little bit big. I broke it, so I had now to manually put every single bit, you know, by like taking like this and inserting. Actually do not know how to, you know, put the last bit, like how to attach it to make it stay fixed on this until I did this, or until I watched another video. So for anyone who doesn't know how to do the last one or to attach the last one, you have the last one looking like that. You now take this remaining edge and you bend it in there like that. So now you have it like this, and then you have your rubber band, and just, you know, attach it going downwards. So it should be like, you don't need a lump. I'll tell you why. You don't need to create a lump, so that when you're done, everything now goes in like that. And then when you have this extra hair hanging here, you just like trim it out, you know. So that's what I did. So that's it, guys. Like I told you, I was not going for any particular pattern on my hair, but it kind of turned out like, I don't know, square / triangle, but it's alright. I just want something to keep me, something to protect my hair for like 2 weeks. So it's looking like that. So I still have to do the rest, you know. I want everything to have the beads on, so it's just looking like.
Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other.
That's how the back is looking like. So that's it for this very easy tutorial, or that's it for this tutorial. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao. Maybe I can insert some pictures later on, but bye. Thank you for watching.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get